Dell Vostro i5 Desktop 3910. The Vostro Tower features plenty of expansion options that can be of use to you in the future. You may not need it all right now, but the options are as limitless as the growth of your business. More flexibility, more expandability. Have all the flexibility you need when connecting to other monitors and devices with HDMI 1.4b and a DisplayPort. While the HDMI 1.4b1 supports FHD monitors, the DisplayPort can support up to 4K resolution or 3 FHD monitors too. Slots: Vostro 3 TPM, 1 PCIe X16 slot, 2 PCIe X1 slots, 1 M2 2230 slot for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo card, 1 M2 and 2230/2280 slot for solid-state drive, 2 SATA slots for 3.5-inch hard drive, 2.5-inch hard drive, solid-state drive, 1 SATA slot for optical drive, 1 PCI 32X1.